Really cool island, full of angry seagulls. Look at this. Whoa, whoa. There. I bought an inflatable paddle board. The main reason why I chose to buy a paddle board is to access places where I can't go fishing with a kayak. If you're enjoying this type of video, like and subscribe, and I'll go visit that big island over there. Time to do some fishing. I'm gonna try the realistic squid first. Here we go, first cast. Finally, seagulls are going crazy. You saw that? Whoa! That's the same guy who did it before. Better to stay low. Again. It's like they're attacking me. Time to go explore around the island. See how it looks like. The water here is perfect. Check it out. Can see small fish there. Whoa. Whoa. Weird how they're behaving like that. Those guys are going crazy. Whoa. Whoa. Really aggressive. Don't know where to look first. Oh, I scared some fish over here. Must be something. Apart from all of the rubbish, oh look, a jellyfish. The water looks very nice here. And it gets deep very fast. Could be a good spot. Check that out. Really cool island. Full of angry seagulls. Look at this. Maybe I should try something different. Maybe the cuttlefish. Something is chasing the fish here. Even if I don't catch anything, this place is just amazing. Really, watch. Look, this guy keeps trying to grab the GoPro. Never seen seagulls act like that. Very weird. Starting to get really windy. I'll probably do a few more casts over there and call it a day. Time to use the fish. Just got a strike. Don't know what fish that was. There. Whoa, just broke my rod. Thing is, I am lifting it. Oh no, damn it. Well, put too much pressure on the rod. On the leader there's bite marks. Must have been a grouper. Now I can't fish at all. So that will be it. I'll catch you in the next video. Definitely gonna visit this place again. But maybe I should bring the stronger rod. I'm gonna try catch some waves on the way back. Do some surfing.